What is going on, guys, and welcome to HTML tutorial in brackets. In this video we're going to talk about two attributes that from now on, when we're going to start actually learning CSS, we're going to be using a lot, and it is ID and class. And what is the difference? Well, remember we were covering a little bit of ID when we were actually setting up links within our own page. When we wanted a specific link to go, let's say down all the way to the bottom of the page, and we created an ID for that, right? And what we remember is that for IDs are actually made unique. So let's say that if I have this first div over here, right? And I'm just going to change this color so they're a little bit stand out. So you can see that I have blue, and I have red, and I have blue, right? So where the IDs and where the classes are used? Well, the IDs are used if you want your block to be unique. So let's say over here, I would create an attribute ID, and I would set it equal to, and I would give it a name, let's say, I don't know, special box, right? So now I know that I have a special box that's going to be uniquely designed, because whenever I'm going to be working with CSS, whenever I'm going to pick this ID, no other element is going to have the same name. The purpose of ID is that, let's say I want this box to be special, so I give it ID and I give it a special name that I would know that this is very unique. However, with the classes is, if I would want to, let's say, create some kind of attribute class over here, and I would just say box, and I would style that, I would style it over here, then I could do the same thing where I could just go over here and I would just copy this, and actually I would add it to the same div. I could say, you know what, I want both of them to be, let's say, to have the same class. So you can do with classes. You can add the same class to, like, let's say, multiple elements. You'll be able to add it to the unordered lists. You're going to be able to add it to list items. However, whenever we're going to be working with IDs, we'll be uniquely setting those IDs, like we did when we were using the links. We were not just putting willy-nilly. We were actually adding an ID for a specific place where we want it to go on a web page. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.